Welcome back. Welcome back to our channel Classify Community. So today is the lecture 9, which is a revision for the module 4. So we will be dealing with very simple things. So let's begin. So the first thing is that quantum mechanics is a new branch of study in physics which is indispensable in understanding the mechanics of particles or bodies in the atomic and subatomic scale. So from this what we can get, what is quantum mechanics? So the first thing you need to remember that it's a branch of which subject? It's a branch of physics, and which is indispensable, means it is absolutely necessary to understand what is the mechanics of particles or bodies in any subatomic or atomic scale. Okay. The next is, according to de Broglie hypothesis, material particles in motion are associated with a wave known as de Broglie waves. So from this you can know that what is the definition of de Broglie waves. First of all, it is Broglie's hypothesis, and the material particles which is in motion with the wave is known as what? De Broglie waves. It is impossible to determine precisely and simultaneously both the position and moment of a particle. So it is not possible to determine that what is the position and momentum of a particle. Further, in simultaneous determination of the position and momentum of a particle, the product of the corresponding uncertainties in the measurement is equal to or greater than h/4 dr. That means in any simultaneous whenever we need to determine position and momentum of the particle, the product of the corresponding uncertainties is always equal or greater than. Okay. Now in quantum mechanics, because of the wave particle duality, the properties of particles can be determined by a wave. Therefore, its quantum state can be represented by a wave of any arbitrary shape. This is called a wave function. So from here what we get the definition of the wave function, that in quantum mechanics, this wave particle duality, the properties of particle can be described by a wave. So their properties can be described by a wave. Therefore, its quantum state can be represented by a wave of any arbitrary shape. Okay. And then we see that we have also read about Schrodinger's wave equation, semiconductor laser, and all of its application and uses. So as I told, this is a revision. So these are all in small points. You, for any detail or explanation, you should watch all the lectures which we have covered. So thank you for watching. Till then, be happy and have a great day.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live magazine videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at Classify Community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classify.in.